Okay, this is just a quick unboxing of the parts I got from JConcepts for my D2 Evo. Today I'm using a Case Trapper yellow handle. This is a pretty new knife. It's what I've been carrying lately. It's just a user. Anyway, we're going to get this cracked open and see what we got. This is parts are going to help me complete my build. All right, let's see what we got. I got some tires. I got some flip outs for using outdoor. I wanted double D's V2, but they were out of those in rear, so I got those for time being. They were on a discount, so I went ahead and bought those. I got some smoothies to use on high bike tracks. Got some smoothies fronts. Those are in silver compound. Got a set of wheels. Set of front wheels. Hope I got the right ones. Got a set of double D's for the front. They did have those. They didn't have the rears. I got another set of rear wheels. And again, hope those are the right ones. Also got me a fan. I don't know if I'd need that. I've always needed one of those for the ESC or for the motor. Not sure what I'm going to need for this car just yet. So I got one of those. Set all this stuff out. Let's set this box out of the way. And then I got the body. That's it. So the body I chose, you have to buy the body for a B6, a non B6.4, anything B6. So I got the P2, which is, they call it the high speed body. Let's get this open. So I'm gonna have to get this painted right away. I don't know what color I'm painting. I'm not gonna do my normal paint scheme because I just want to get it done. I'm just gonna do it a solid color. I probably might do the yellow window trim like I always do. Not sure what colors I got. I think I've got white. I've got gold. I might do gold. I'm not sure yet. So it comes with, body comes with 2 wings, looks like. That's pretty nice. So I can go ahead and get those mounted up right away. It comes with a window mask. So I'll go ahead and get this thing painted up pretty soon. See, it's got the nice splitter or whatever you want to call it for the front. Doesn't have a front wing. I thought it might, but I wasn't sure. So we'll get this thing painted up. I'm not exactly sure how to trim it yet because it's got hole for the clutch on one side. It's on the other side on our car. So it's got several body lines to trim. So I might get to that today or tomorrow. Get that done. Get the windows cut out. I'm probably gonna do a solid color. I'm gonna explore and see what I've got. So anyway, we got the body. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. That should work for multiple tracks. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this stuff cut out and mounted. I'm gonna go ahead and get a wing cut out and mounted. See what it looks like. And once my shock tower is finished curing, look like they're ready to go. Let's get these. Let's crack up these smoothies. I've never bought any of these. The silver compound. We're going to be making some trips to Hobbytown in Columbus, Georgia. Pretty sure this is what I'll be running there. Oh, they feel nice. So, of course, they're yellow because that yellow's faster. Let's get the rears out here. There we go. Smoothies, slicks. Should be good for Columbus for sure. They're pre-mounted, which is strange. They usually don't come pre-mounted, but they feel pretty good and firm. So anyway, that's what I got. Oh, let's get these tires out too. Yeah, I just gotta get everything out and feel them, you know. These triple D's be nice for outdoor. And then got these flip outs kind of on a compromise because it's basically gonna be testing. And I've got some foams. I don't use these foams, I use the closed cell foams. I've got those somewhere in one of these cabinets. These were cheap. They were on sale. Can't remember, but it was a pretty good price. They're, you know, they ought to be good for the green compound. Pretty soft. It's kind of cool right now, so should work good. And I've got to dig out some closed cell foams, and we should be able to go. And I got to get some more glue. This glue I've got is pretty old. Kind of scared to try that. So I got to set the glue up. I got a couple extra sets of wheels, so I get some more tires later. I should have bought a couple more sets of tires, but I didn't. So there it is. There's all I got. I got smoothies for the high bite. Got flip outs and double D's for outdoor. A couple sets of wheels, the wing and body, and we should have a complete car here pretty soon. So make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.